Hello everyone, welcome back to my
Taking
mini
these
vlog.
pics out.
Today is 9th of June, and in the morning today we have decided to change the location of our pigs, keeping them together with the sheeps. So all our pigs, sheeps and dogs, they all mingle together. It's so beautiful to watch them living together. They're enjoying the moment. I used to imagine them, maybe they're speaking in their own language which we human cannot understand. So I feel really blessed and lucky to be sharing this kind of environment with them. So this is my life, this is where I love to live. And then I plant some vegetables, but later on it started raining and I went for tuition. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.